guys, what's up today? Welcome to my channel. Today we're going to take a look at Boxycharm and Boxyluxe's March box and the issues that have been going on with that box. Several people have emailed me about issues they've been having in March and wanting me to make a video on this. So that's what I'm going to do. And first, what is Boxycharm? Boxycharm is a beauty subscription. It costs $21 a month. You'll get 4 to 5 full-size beauty products, and these products will be based on your beauty quiz. Hey guys, I just want to mention before we get into that, in our March giveaway this month, we're giving away 2 pieces of Anastasia Beverly Hills' spring launch Anastasia Beverly Hills Riviera palette and her new setting spray, the Dewy Set. And what a great setting spray it is. So if you want to get into that, I will have all the rules and regulations listed below. So let's get into what's going on with Boxycharm. I started receiving emails mainly because people were upset that they received the wrong shade of the Cover FX palette. Some of them had done their quiz right when they joined Boxycharm. They were all quite upset. So this is what they received from Boxycharm by email. This email says, "Hello Charmer, I wanted to personally apologize for sending you a Cover FX palette that may not match the shade you selected on your beauty quiz. We had a data issue and identified a small group of charmers who were affected. We believe that you are part of this group. My number one priority is to provide the absolute best customer service experience, and this time I fell short. To make it up to you, the team is depositing 4,500 charms into your account in the next 72 hours to cover the retail value of the Cover FX palette. Typically, we would replace your item, but we don't have replacements available for this product. We just updated our charm room with some fantastic items we hope you will love, and we will add more items next week. The charm room will remain open until March 22nd, 2019, and then reopen on April 5th, 2019 with a new assortment of products. Again, I apologize for this mistake and promise to keep improving things in hopes that this does not happen again. Joseph Joe Martin, Boxycharm CEO and founder." And there's his picture at the bottom. So, first of all, I know a couple people were very upset because at this time they received this message. They were still selling March subscriptions of Boxycharm. The FOMO box had not come out yet, so they felt if they still had boxes available, they could use those Cover FX palettes that were available in the box. This is the first reason why many people were disappointed this month. People started having trouble getting their boxes. They were late getting their March boxes. Some people still haven't received their box. They hadn't received any shipping notifications up until a few days ago. So that was the problem with the March box. So Joe came on, and yesterday he gave an apology, and let's see, his apology said, and I won't be doing any clips of Joe anymore. I'm not sure if it's allowed with the copyright rules. I see some people still are doing them, but I am going to refrain from using them until I know that I can use them. So what he said was, the shipping problem was a delay for about 5 days, but starting with yesterday, you should be receiving your tracking notification. He said this doesn't happen often. Actually, it's the first time I ever hear of a 5-day shipping problem. So he tries to be on top of it, and it's a complex operation, and I'd imagine it is, especially when you're looking at beauty quizzes and dividing things in certain boxes. He said sometimes things happen. They have been working on it. He said they're learning from their mistakes, and they don't work from 9 to 5. They work 24/7 when they do have a problem. He was on the floor of the warehouse where the production is done when he was doing this report. He said that they really feel bad, and it really lowers their morale in the office when these things happen, but there's gonna be hiccups. So he said that they figured out the problem, and hopefully it won't happen again, and they're learning from the mistake. And he said that the boxes should start shipping next week. And he said what a lot of people don't realize, when you get your tracking notification, sometimes you won't get another notification for 3 days, but they still are moving the box. You're just not being notified of those particular steps. So when you get that second notification, it's almost to your door. And he said that you need to realize, he said their customer service is located in the Philippines. I didn't know this. My credit card company deals with their customer service in the Philippines, and I have no trouble with it. And he apologizes for the delay. He will always strive for perfection, but nobody is perfect. He will make it better next month. And I truly believe he will do this. He hopes this doesn't happen again, because he said he won't have any hair left on his head if this happens again. As of a few days ago, the March box had run out, so now they're selling the FOMO box, as you can see here. And what FOMO means is an acronym that means fear of missing out. Now, I can't remember that. Every time I see that FOMO, I'm like, what does that mean again? So let's talk about the FOMO box. Maybe there's some people here not subscribed to Boxycharm and want to know what's going to be in that March box. If you subscribe today in March, you will get this box. You will get the Tula Bright All Night Sheet Mask, the Tarte Cosmetics palette, which is one of the Rainforest of the Sea palettes. You could get a variation of 3 of them. From Auraza Beauty, a lip topper. From Moda Brush, you get a 2-set brush set. It's a powder brush and a highlighter brush. And you'll get 1 of 4 mascaras. You'll get either the Better Than Sex by Too Faced. From Wander Beauty, the Unleashed Volume and Curl Mascara. The third one, Grande Lash Boosting Mascara. And from IT Cosmetics, the Superhero Mascara. 1 of 4 mascaras. So that's what you could possibly get in the FOMO March box. What about the solutions to these 2 problems? The shipping solution. Guys, that probably was just a fluke thing, something that happened that just delayed everything. I'm not sure the exact thing that happened. He said there was problems. So you will get shipping problems with any company. So hopefully he figured out his hiccup and that will stop happening. It's just one of those things, they have to get better at. Second, what about receiving charms for a replacement product? Let me give you my view about charms. Whenever someone subscribes under my name, I get anywhere from 250 to 500 charms. And you get charms for doing your subscription. I have been having 6,500 charms for months. I go into the charm room right away, usually on Fridays, and if they put a Hank and Henry lipstick, it may stay 15 minutes. New products were being put every other week on Fridays. Now they're saying they're going to stop on the 22nd and start back in April. Maybe they're going to put some awesome products, but a lot of times the products in the charm room are products we've had in our boxes. And that's okay if you've had a variation box. But what if you don't have a variation box? And these 4 mascaras that are going to be in the FOMO box, I have every one of them. So a lot of times the items in the charm room are things we've had in our boxes. And the things that I've purchased with my charms, I purchased like 3 different Makeup Geek individual eyeshadows. I bought another one of the Dr. Brandt Luminous Eye Primers, which I had received in a box, but I like that one, so I purchased one with my charms. The other day they had the Pretty Vulgar translucent setting powder, and I was shocked to see that. I didn't get one of those, so my daughter took the one we got in the box, so I purchased that one with my charms. So now I have like 3,500. But a lot of times there's not much in that charm room. Right now, this is what's in that charm room. Problem with the charm room, he needs to have better products. I think maybe they should have given you an option to get a free month subscription or 6,500 charms. That might have worked, but I know they don't want to lose any money. Why did they run out of certain Cover FX palettes? I don't know which, if it was the light shade or the dark shade, but why did they run out? This was especially made for Boxycharm. Did they sell too many palettes? Did they sell too many boxes? They should have cut it off when they ran out. I know last month a lot of people got highlighters. The Pretty Vulgar highlighters came in broken. Highlighters are very fragile. A few subscribers had highlighters that were broken. So they were also given charms from the charm room. But guys, you need to beef up your charm room. But hopefully, I have hope, I think in April there are going to be so many good products in there. Everybody will be happy, hopefully. Because, I love my Boxycharm. I love Boxyluxe. I think it's the best beauty subscription on the market. Boxycharm is my #1 subscription box. And I certainly don't think this is a reason to unsubscribe from Boxycharm. Things will happen with every subscription box. So that's my spiel for today, guys. Put it in the comments. What's your solution to the problem? Did you have a problem? I want to know how many people in my group had issues with Boxycharm shipping or not getting the correct product. This is the first time we use our beauty quizzes, so hopefully they'll get the kinks out and be able to get it right next time. So thank you guys for watching today. I hope everybody has a good weekend. Remember to share my video. Please, 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 if you can, please share my video. It would really help me out. And hit that subscription button if you haven't already. And remember to ring that bell so you'll get my notifications. Make sure that bell is on. Remember, if you liked my video, hit that like button. And if you want to play in the giveaway this month, please put a smiley face emoji at the end of your comment. And that is it, my darlings. Take care. See you next time. Bye.